and it's going to be coming out. Yep, we're draining the oil. Okay, hold on to it. Don't let that fall in there and don't get it all over yourself, because it's going to spill all over. Don't get it in your eyes.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Hold it in one spot. Great. All right, we're draining. And now you're just making a mess there. Anything on your face? Let me see. No.
Anything?
Nope. Drain the transmission. This is the auto trans. All right, got a 19 millimeter plug back there.
Ooh, I'm doing more fire.
Okay, you did it again. Hold it over the pan.
What?
Right here. You didn't learn your lesson from the first time. You got a rag right there.
Okay. You don't do this.
Okay, now wipe off that drain plug. Start breaking that diff loose. This is the rear differential, and we're draining the fluid out of it. Push that on the drain for that. Come on, push it on.
Yeah, there's like a thing down there.
Okay, then turn it. Come on. Oh! Alright, do it again.
Oh, jeez.
What did Veda do?
Oh, she took one away.
Veda, find them all and put them back.
Dad, where does this one go?
Then instead of moving so much, you can just stand still. This ratchets.
Dad, where does this one go?
Right there! They all go right there! My goodness.
Jeez. And then Veda made them not equal.
This is not a jungle gym.
I know it.
Alright, it's really loose now. Stop. We don't want the fluid to come out yet. Okay? Put the tool down on the workbench. Every time, remember, just try and keep it over the pan. Think you can do that? Don't freak out when it comes out.
Why?
There you go. Keep it over the pan.
We'll be equal now.
So it's-
Ew.
I know, that stuff is so dirty.
And weird. Looks gross.
This stuff actually smells the worst. Gear oil. Here. Now, bring that down and right onto the, here. Onto the rag.
Wait, I just want to try it.
There you go. Now wipe.
Look. Under the shirt.
This diff fluid probably has never ever been changed.
Then let out another
Oh,
one.
a little chunky.
How much are you doing? I'm doing
Let
one
me
more.
oh, what is that stuff? It's like chunks of stuff coming out of there. Oh, come on.
It makes me want to puke. How bad it smells.
That's how much of a mess it's going to make. It's got to be low. Make sure to position the pan so you catch it then. All right. Now you see it's coming out real slow, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
There's something blocking it?
Kind of. There's a vacuum in the system. So come up here.
Dad, when you...
Take that cap off and listen.
Dad, when you
Lefty
hire-
loosey.
Dad, when you
Nope.
hire it, I'm going to be on it.
Take the cap off.
I can't. It's so hard. Yeah, there. Like that. Whoa.
Do you hear it? Sounds like it's flushing the toilet. You hear that? Now it's slowing down. Alright, only made a little bit of a mess.
That was a lot.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Yeah.
And there's still going to be a ton of coolant in that system.
Why?
But it's official. This motor is no longer expected to run. We drained and take the battery out. This is it. It's going to have a new motor in it running soon.
From where?
From over there.
Oh, okay.
That motor. I should have taken this video before I removed anything. This is the before. And it looks like I already removed a bunch, but I really didn't. You got the battery, the radiator, charcoal canister, and whatever the heck that thing is. Yeah, I don't know. Some sort of emission thing. And yeah, the intake in the airbox. Just dreading the power steering fluid because it stinks. And I don't even know if this AC is charged. I would guess not. Yep, I'm going to leave the garage for a little bit. Somewhat of a monumental moment right now. It's hooked up, and it's about to get yanked. Took the hood off so it makes it so much easier pulling the motor. It's out, and it's going to be for sale. It's only got 200,000 miles on it, and it made a gigantic mess. Coolant, trans fluid. It's really hard to get all that stuff out. And when the motor, I could have taken the trans off, but then there just would have been another thing. More bolts. I guess I'd rather have the mess. I don't know, but there's the mess. There it is. One thing I wasn't expecting is the bolts on the bottom of the trans, where it meets the block, caught on this power steering line and like just really jacked it up. And it like just kept pulling it up. But other than that, it's out. So major achievement. And the GTR is turning white. I think it looks way better white. It's me. So I'm giving this thing a dose of Simple Green. This is Simple Green mixed up, diluted down. And I'm trying to just clean up all this grease and grime. And hopefully it looks a heck of a lot better. You can see how gross it is. All that. The idea is to paint this. So we'll see how much time I have on my hands. So a little bit of Simple Green, that brush, and the power washer. And this is where I've gotten to. Looks really good over here. Really cleaned up the frame rail. This side needs some serious rust repair. I mean, this will be cut out for like intercooler piping anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. Maybe repair there. There's a hole. And this is just surface, so that's not too bad. Same with like here, that's pretty structurally good enough for me. But otherwise, yeah, the frame rails down there are great. That's where the common rust spots are, down there. So yeah, time to take more of this stuff off and get it ready for paint.